In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Assalamu alaikum. I am Kashaf from Chemistry Department and my ID is 018. Now moving toward the second course of my project of SQL, which is joining data in SQL. In this course, I have learned about the introduction to joins, what are outer joins and cross joins, what are how to set theory classes, and what are subqueries. And in introduction to joint, I have learned about inner joint, outer joint, cross joint, self joints, etc. Starting with the inner joint. Inner joint clause in SQL Server creates a new table not physically but by combining rows that have matching values in two or more tables. Inner join is based on a logical relationship between the tables and is used to retrieve data that appears. In the example, we can see that there are two tables. Table 1 contains product name with prices and table 2 contains product names with the quantity. We will match products with prices and quantity for inner join. So we will add product name, then prices name, and then quantity for inner joining the two tables. And in this way, we can summarize our results in a small table. The second one is outer join. The full outer join or outer join is used to return all of the records that have values in either the left or the right side of the table. In the given example, we can see that there are two tables. Table 1 contains supplier name with region ID and table 2 contains region ID with region name. As we know that for outer join, we have to summarize or return all of the records that have valued in left and right join. We will join supplier name with the region name, as region ID in both tables are same. So supplier name and the region ID creates a new table which is more summarized and specific. The third one is SQL self join. A self join is a regular join but the table is joined with itself. For example, there we have two tables. Table 1 contains ID with student name J, Ray and May, and the friend ID of J is 3, Ray is 1 and May is 2. Same as in second table, student name and friend ID were same. But for self join, first table like table 1 friend ID will combine with the ID of the table 2 and we will get the results. For example, J has friend ID 3, it will join with the ID number or student number 3 of the second table, which is May. So J combines with May, Ray combined with J, and May combined with table 2 of the Ray. So as self join syntax is very simple and clear. We will have to select column names table 1 and table 2 from the table 1 and table 2s, and where we have to apply the condition classes. Next is SQL left join keywords. The left join keyword return all records from the left table, for example table 1, and the matching records from the right table 2. The result is 0 records from the right table if there is no match. For example, here we have product and sales tables. Product table contains product ID with name and sales table contains product ID with the customer. We will join for product ID with the customer name or the name of the product with the customer. Here we can see that product IDs are same. Mixture have the product ID 1 and the customer of the mixture is John Smith. So we will write the result name as mixture and the customer is John Smith and so on. So the left join syntax is also very easy. We have to select column names from the table 1, 2 and we have joined left join table 2. As we have seen in the example, we have joined the table 2 like customers from table 1. On table 1 column name is equals to table 2 column name. Now SQL right join. Right join is same as left join, but in right join keyword returns all records from the right table instead of left table, and the matching records from the left table. The result is 0 records from the left table as we have discussed earlier. So the right join syntax contains select column names from table 1 and we have to right join on the table 2. On table 1 column name will be equal to table 2 column name, will be same as left join. Next is SQL union operator. Firstly, we should know what is union operator. Union operator is used to combine the results set of two or more select statements, and every select statement within union must have the same number of the columns. And the columns must also have similar data types, and the columns in every select statement must also be in the same order. So the union syntax will be select column names from table 1, union select column names from table 2. Means we have to union or combine table 1 columns with the table 2 columns names. And at last, this is a certificate of accomplishment which I got from Datacamp. So thank you. That's all from my side.